Ashley Ogle.
Akusiwona uhlelo bema navele ngachazeka. Akusiwona uhlelo bema navele ngachameka. Akusibona uhlelo bema navele ngachazeka. Magama mnandi ngavele ngathatheka. Ngashela insizwa umzulu yabika amagama mnandi ngavele ngathatheka. Ngishelwa ibhinqa leKwaZulu abafunza likhoma.
Hi guys, it's Ashley Ogle. Catch me on Kakasi FM from 12 to 3 with DJ Sonic on Midday Connection. Okay.
Babelela mngani wami sophumelela izwa ngami lento yethu sinikiwe sobuya kusasa ngamanye amandla Nkosi izwa imithandazo yabantwana bakho ehlisa umoya wakho wempumelelo izwa imithandazo yabantwana bakho Nkosi sikelela izwa imithandazo yabantwana bakho ehlisa umoya wakho wempumelelo izwa imithandazo yabantwana bakho Nkosi sikelela.
Close the door in your when someone closes a door in your face, all you have to remember is when God allows them to close the door in your face, all God wants you to do is walk up the hall. It's some more doors. You just got to walk up the hall. Because I can promise you, he got a better door that he wants you to go through than the one that got shut in your face. That's a fact.
Now I'ma tell y'all something, just so y'all know now, for the days to come, just so y'all know, this is just a reminder to all y'all, people in the front, people in the back, on the side, and the left, and the right. Don't ever lose the Lord. Don't y'all ever lose the Lord. God loves y'all, and I love God, and I love y'all too. Don't lose the Lord.